Hello everyone, welcome to JS and rssolution YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today we have a simple and easy tutorial for you on how to create a groundwater level map using ArcGIS. We will be using groundwater depth borehole data to prepare the depth to water level map. Don't worry, I have made it straightforward and user friendly. So even if you are new to JS, you can follow along and enjoy the process. You can find the data link in the video description that has been used in this video, which you can use to practice on your own time. I'm confident that you will find this tutorial enjoyable and beneficial. All right, let's dive right in and get started. Yeah, you can see here the Excel file. Uh, I have total 35 locations. I have arranged the Excel file based on FID. So you can see here the data from January to December. I have collected the data and I have arranged in this Excel file. And you can see here these are the GPS points for collection area, and this is my study area shapefile. GPS points for collection area, and you can see here the data from January to December. And after that I will save this data as CSV MSDOS format, save as type, and then save. Yeah, then I will add that Excel file into ArcMap. For that, just add data and go to the folder where you save your data. And this is my data, jwlevels.csv, as it is CSV file. And if I check opening attribute table, then you can see here the database data from January to December. And now I will add using joins and relates tools, join, and I will join based on FID and it is data, and then click OK. And if I check opening attribute table, then you can see my data has been joined here. Yes, here the database and the shapefile, study the shapefile. After that, go to spatial analysis tools and interpolation and IDW. Click on IDW and input point features. It will be the data, and then Z value. First, I will prepare for January 22, and then go to environments and then processing extent. And extent will be as per study area. And after that, just go to raster analysis, and here you will see mask, and mask will be study area, and then click OK and click OK. Yeah, interpolation has been done for January 2022. I will rename it as January 22, and just go to properties and then symbology and then classes. I will make 6 classes, and then right click format, and then two I think it should be 3, yeah, and then click OK. You can see here for January I have prepared for Ganota level map, and similarly you can prepare for other months, just changing the Z value field. And if you want to prepare for February, then add February. If you want to prepare for August, then August. Yeah, then go to environments and then processing extent will be the study area. Yep. And then raster analysis will be, I mean, you can see here mask will be study area, then click OK. Yeah, this is for February 22. Just rename it February 22. Yeah, for yeah, just go to properties and then make classes 6, and then level, format labels, and after fraction, yeah, 3, and then click OK. And similarly you can prepare for others months as well. And I think this process is very easy, and you can follow this easy process. I hope you enjoyed this video. For data, just go to the description section of this video. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.